look at the problem set. We're going to continue dividing. I noticed that my dividend is only a half and my divisor is 2. So I'm going to go ahead and get this set up. What am I dividing by? Blair, I need you to focus. 2. So I'm going to need 2 equal rows at the bottom.
Your lines aren't straight.
I know. Stop. Okay. Is there anything to do in the ones place? No. But I'm still going to write a 0 because I know enough about decimal place value to know I'm going to need a 0 in the ones place. Now how am I going to go about, Hayden, how am I going to divide these 5/10 into 2 equal groups?
Like, you want to know how to, like, put it into it?
Yeah. How many in each group?
2.
Good. And how many will I cross off? 4. Blair, I want the noise to stop. That's the second time I've had to say your name on this video. So what does this look like on the standard algorithm? 2 groups of 2 equals what?
5. I mean 4.
4. Good. And I have 1 left over. And we're going to show that group of 10 as a stick today. A 10 stick is what I'm visualizing in my mind. Do you remember what a 10 stick looks like?
Yeah.
Whole bunch of little cubes stacked up on top of each other.
Oh,
Okay?
And
So
that's the hundreds and tens.
how many hundredths do I have?
10.
So how do I show that on the standard algorithm? So all I have to do at conferences next time is pull up Module 1, Lesson 15, Problem Set on YouTube and show it to your parents. Get yourself under control. So how many groups, or how many will be in each group if I have 10?
5.
So 2 groups of 5 equals 10. And I'm done. Now, I can look at this another way. I can look at that 5/10 is 50 hundredths, or 50 cents, divided by 2. What's 50 cents divided by 2?
25.
25 cents. So whenever you go to the hundredths place, bless you, whenever you go to the hundredths place, 2 place values, you can also think of money to make your life easier.
Oh my gosh.
I know. Let's go down to B. So to set this one up, what am I dividing by this time?
4.
So how many groups, how many groups at the bottom will I need? I just about didn't leave enough room. So the easiest way to make 4 is to divide it in half and then divide it in half again. Okay. Should I go ahead and write my decimal? Yes, because I'm dividing by a whole number. Okay, so if I have 5 ones divided into 4 groups, how many in each group?
1.
So what multiple of 4, I didn't write them down this time, what multiple of 4 will I think of when I'm thinking of the number 17, Fernando? Counting by 4s, what number's closest to 17 without going 16. 4 times what equals 16?
4.
4. If I cross off 16, how many will I have left? 1. Okay, so that gives me 1/100. Well, actually 1/10, right? But on my place chart, what do I show? Place value chart, what do I show? 10 hundredths. When you regroup, it's 10. What multiple of 4 is closest to 10 without going over? 8. So 4 times what equals
2.
8? 2. How many will I regroup? 2. Because 10 minus 8 equals 2. I can't really show that on the place value chart because I'm drawing a line for a group of 10. But we know enough about this regrouping. We know what the arrows mean. Okay? So I've got 20 thousandths here. How do I show that on my standard algorithm? Yeah, drag down a 0. Drop it down. So I have 20. What multiple of 4 is closest to 20? 4 times 5 equals 20. So 20 is my multiple. 4 times 5 equals 20.